I'm going to come in here and put a bunch of fairy gardens in here. I have a couple of empty pots and we'll be filling them up with fairy gardens. And I have some plants in here and we'll put some fairy accessories in here to do with them. As you can see, I already put one little gnome over here. He's just sitting there hanging out until I decide what to do with him. And I have this pot back here that needs to be filled in also. So we're going to get busy and try to put a couple of fairy gardens together today. And we're going to try to make them for free. This pot was totally empty, and I had some ground cover that my girlfriend gave me at work, and that's what I put here in the front. So there was no cost for that. I am going to take some cuttings from my own garden, and there'll be no cost for that either. We're still at zero cost. The little garden shed I've had for quite some time, so there was no cost for that. I have 3 cuttings in here, 1 large one and 2 smaller ones, and they were from my own garden, and so there was no cost for that. Now these did have flowers on them, and I did trim them off because they were almost done. I'm going to show you the color. So these will next season, probably in January or February, start blooming again. There was just a couple of flowers left, so I thought I would share with you the color that was on this plant. This really had a lot of red and orange and green, and I thought it looked perfect in this setting. Let me know what you thought. Like I said, trying to do everything for a very cost-effective. I thought the gnome was a little too big for the house, and this is a very small container, and I couldn't move the gnome far enough out. So I put him in this one container next to it, and I may still move him in the future once I decide what I want to do. Or maybe get another container and put it right in here and put him in that. But anyway, here we are. It's pretty well finished. What do you think? Our little garden shed. We used the leaves for the walk path, so there was no cost for that. The little shed I already had, and the gnome I had, and all the plants or cuttings, some I already had and my girlfriend gave me some, and the little gardening tools I already had too. And these won't stay outside. The quality of them is not very good, so we'll be putting them in a box back in the house, because if I don't leave them out here, they'll be ruined within a month. So what did you think of my fairy garden today? Thought it turned out pretty good. It's a garden theme. And like I said, probably going to see if I can fit a little pot down in there and put the gnome in front for it to look a little better. But that's for another day. So let me know what you thought. We have some beautiful plants in here. We're going to make some beautiful fairy gardens. So keep coming back. This is number 3 of the fairy gardens, my sweet friends. Thanks for all your love and support. Anyone can join in. June Fairy Gardens. And if you just want to come and watch, that's fine too. Anyone that joins in, I will give them a shout out. So please make sure to leave me a comment on my channel and say I put a video up for you to get a shout out for your channel. So thank you all so much for stopping by and giving so much love and support for June Fairy Garden Month.